so much for coming back to my channel once again. If you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button so you can get notified when I upload a video. I appreciate all you guys for just sticking with me and coming back week to week to week. Sometimes I do difficult DIYs, sometimes I do simple ones. Today, this one is going to be a very quick and simple one. Now for you guys who've been rocking with me since my very first video, you know I purchased these bowls for a place setting, but I ended up buying the bigger ones because I wasn't satisfied with these because they looked too small. So I had 8 of these and I was trying to figure out exactly what to do with them, because eventually the things that I'm making, I'm going to be making more so I could start selling them. So I came up with this very simple design. I had these marbles also that I bought a lot of that I thought I would be using. So now I've got about 3 bottles or more of these marbles, and I've got to figure out what to do with them to use them up. Don't worry, they're not going to go to waste. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to glue the marbles in the corner of this bowl. I have a habit of using too much glue, so I'm trying to control that. Then I'm going to dab a little glue on top and put the candle dish that I got from Hobby Lobby on top. And this bowl I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. And the marbles I got from Oriental Trading Company. And I've already cleaned the bottom of this. I'm just going to eyeball it. And I'm going to let this dry. This is dried. And you guys, y'all know me. I wasn't about to leave this just plain like that. Got to put some bling on it. Guys, I am so happy to be back in Las Vegas. I don't do a lot of gambling. Haven't even been to a casino. Well, that's not true. I was at one of the hotels, but I didn't gamble because I'm not a gambler. But it's nice to, know that when I want to go out and do a little gambling, I am in the city for that. Look at how nice that looks. I'm taking this Dollar Tree candle. I can't find a candle that would fit the size of this candle dish. So I'm taking this Dollar Tree candle. I'm taking these metallic rocks and I'm just going around it. I decided to do another version, using the square bowl on top this time and a Dollar Tree dessert bowl. They come 4 in a pack. And I'm going to put some rhinestone ribbon at the bottom of this one. And here is the reveal, guys. I've only made one of this one so far, but I will be making more. I am making different items so I can get ready to start selling these items. So if you live in the Las Vegas area, you'll be able to purchase these items. And then I think maybe a little bit after that, I'll start selling them online. But that's how that's looking, guys. This can also be used for a unique candy dish. And thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel again and watching this video. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Like and comment on the video. Once again, I'm reminding you all that I'm at 400 subscribers right now. When I get to 500 or close to 500, I have a surprise announcement. So please share this video. You do not want to miss what the surprise announcement is. Trust me, especially for my oldies. Thank you guys so much, and you all have a blessed, wonderful day.